It is truly frustrating when you want to make more money, but your parents and the society prevent you from it. Sometimes being a teenager is difficult because the age restrictions prevent you from reaching your true potential and earning more money. However, as you're young, you have many advantages over the older persons because you don't have many responsibilities, and therefore you can try every business idea to know what fits best for you. Hi, Matrix Money Maker here. Today's video is about the 6 ways you can start earning more money even if you're still young. Make sure to subscribe and watch until the end because all the methods are worth watching and one of them might just change your life. Learn a new skill. As a young person, you have time to learn and try different skills. That is why you should definitely pick up a new high income skill that will allow you to earn more money. The good thing about it is that once you learn and master it, it is for life and you can make money with that knowledge for your entire life. An example of a skill to pick up that will be profitable is social media marketing. Anyone knows that marketing is essential for the functioning of any business. In the past, companies used newspaper, TV shows, commercials, and big signboards in order to market and reach a large number of people. These methods required a lot of money to start, making it difficult for small businesses to succeed. However, nowadays, with social media, there are many more opportunities to be seized in order to do advertising. The power of the digital has completely changed the world of marketing. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, businesses are able to reach a larger number of people without spending too much money. On this point, being specialized in social media marketing makes you a big target of the world's biggest companies. Being able to successfully manage social media advertising is a skill that will get you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you master it. The good thing is that you get to choose who you want to work with, and as you are having more clients, you can start an agency and scale that to millions of dollars. The same strategy can be applied with a variety of skills. It is for you to choose which high income skills to master in order to change your life. Create a program or a course. If you have some kind of knowledge that you want to share, this is the best way for you to get money. People are willing to pay a ton of money to get taught a skill or something difficult. It can be anything. If you're good at making videos and editing, you could make a graphic designer course and sell it online. An online course is the best way to make pure profit since you're only making the content you will be teaching once, and it only requires you to be an expert in one field. However, you could also sell an in-person course. For example, it would be just as profitable to be a gym coach, even though you would have to do more work because you will have to teach people in person. It is still really profitable because you do not spend any money and all the money you get is profit. And if you are starting to have too many clients, you can just make videos of you executing the exercises and create a PDF file with a gym program and sell the program as a course but still provide good mentoring. In addition, you can also make food diets and add it to your program to increase its value. You will be rewarded based on your mastering of the skill you promote. So the best way to make more money with this method is to specialize even more and become the best to have the most clients. Resell vintage clothing or sneakers. If you are a person that loves to dress and have an affinity for fashion and style, this one's for you. Nowadays, the resale price of some sneakers or clothes are really high. So if you manage to get the articles at the retail price, you will always make a lot of profit. And for some vintage pieces, you can even get them really cheap and sell them at a higher price. Moreover, as of today, a lot of kids like to dress with streetwear, vintage, and even fashion articles, so this is a great opportunity because there is a lot of demand and not enough suppliers. The good thing about this is that you can attract people very easily. To get clients, for instance, you can build an Instagram page and sell your articles via social media. Or you just ask your friends to share the idea with someone who would like to get sneakers at a lower price, and this will allow you to attract a lot of customers. Furthermore, as you get your first clients, it will be easy to keep them if they are satisfied with articles. They will continue to buy with you and bring on even more of their friends, which will be your new customers. That is why your service and products have to be clean and professional. Number 4 is local services. As a teenager, you can also earn money by doing any services in your local community. You could do things like selling firewoods, doing some landscaping operations, yard work, snow removal, or even painting the inside and outside of houses. You can basically do any work that you can find in your local community. And do not be ashamed, because it does not matter what other people think of you as long as you pay your bills and get out of the struggle. The easy way to do this is to look at your local newspaper or local ads and search for the different services that people are offering and get in contact with those people. Find something that you like and something that does not make you uncomfortable. Also, search for things that you might have experience with. The good thing is that it is a very straightforward business. You work with your hands and get the cash as soon as you finish. That is why it is not a thing to just overlook because you don't want to get your hands dirty or whatever excuses you might find. Next idea is to make a podcast. You don't need much to start a podcast. You will just need micros and cameras to record the videos. This one is really easy to set up. At the beginning, you can call your friends and talk about a variety of subjects, and then you upload the videos on YouTube or on other social media platforms. And of course, as you are involved, you must also improve your equipment and the quality of the content. Some of the top podcasters right now make over millions of dollars per year from this. So it is a very great opportunity, especially as people are willing to consume even more content than ever before. Furthermore, this could potentially increase your influence on social media. You could even make ads on the podcast and also make money from it. Now, to add that, as your podcast evolves, you are building a big and good audience which can relate to your subjects, and this would even increase the amount you charge for ads, and it will allow your podcast to last for a long time. The last one is pet service. Nowadays, pets are considered as members of their owner's family. For this reason, they have a lot of affection for them and they are considered even as children. Therefore, pet owners want specialized attention for their pets, giving a great opportunity for individuals and businesses to capitalize on the market. They often pay for a pet sitter to stay at home and keep an eye on their pet, or they could sometimes pay for the pet to stay at their sitter's house while they travel. It is a great opportunity for those who enjoy being in the presence of animals such as dogs or even cats. Since you're doing what you love, which is to stay with animals, this is a good opportunity, as you could also get a good pay. People are willing to pay fortunes for their animals' well-being. You could even create a business from it as you offer more services to the owners, such as dog training, washing, and other services, which serve as upsells to increase the money you make from each client. And if you don't have time to take care of dogs, you could also do dog walking. You will basically walk the dog around the neighborhood and parks. Since walking and wandering is a great activity for the dog's health, the owner will pay you well to do this. The good thing is that you can walk many dogs at the same time and make a lot of money at once. Of course, this does not mean to walk 10 dogs at the same time to the point where you cannot control the pets anymore. Try a larger amount only if you are able to handle it. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos about how to make money, personal finance, investing, and much more. To see the top 6 dividend stocks for passive income, check out the latest video. Take care.